The WEA is special and the WEA is different because it is a democratic membership organisation as well as a provider of adult education such as a further education college. In Wales, it was launched in 1907 in Barry, but the first class or gathering was actually held in Wrexham prior to this. Currently in Wales, we reach around 15,000, working in partnership with community groups, third sector organisations, housing associations, trade unions and so on, in order to deliver in both the community and in the workplace.
Inspirational.
Engaging.
Fascinating. Tarotaza, refreshing.
Mwynhau.
Bendigedig.
Inspiring.
Illuminating.
Exhilarating.
Uplifting.
Tulare Valley employs approximately 370 employees within the Gwent Valleys, and we produce frozen and chilled foods for distribution across the UK. We've been really pleased to be involved with the Prince's Trust, and I think it's actually allowed us to identify some young individuals locally who would like to work here. So it's been great to work with the local community and help them develop their skills, and hopefully they could be potential employees in the future.
Some of the participants who come to us are very low in confidence. They can hardly communicate at all when they come to us. But the journey that they take, it develops their personal skills so much that they've got a feeling of belonging somewhere and finding something that's given them a direction in life.
I'm busy 5 or 6 days a week now, working with groups 2 or 3 days a week and working for myself the rest of the time. I'm never going to get rich in this game, but I get to spend my days doing something I love doing. I've finally found a vocation I can see myself doing for the future, and I'm making as many steps as I can to see that it does continue into the future.
We could have been anything that we wanted to be, and I'm not saying we should. But if we tried it, we'd learn to abide it. We could be the best at being good guys.
Flowers of the earth, who can even guess how much a real friend is worth?
Good guys.
Shake an open hand, maybe we'll be trusting if we try to understand.
No doubt about it, it must be worthwhile. Good friends do tend to make you smile. We could have been anything that we wanted to be. Yes, that decision was ours. It's been decided